Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Microsoft account problems. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So this is going to be very easy. So all you have to do is go to search, and from here type on settings. Now click on your settings, and from here go to accounts. And from the right side panel, you can scroll down and go to email and accounts. Now in here, all you have to do is right click on your Microsoft account linked to your system, and you can click remove. And after that, click on add Microsoft account, and then you can add your account again. And after that, you can go ahead and restart your computer and you should be good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.